Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to set any value in the session and how to retrieve that value from the session, and at last I'm going to show you how to destroy the session value. Okay, so for that first we need to create a new dynamic web project. Okay, and I'm renaming it as session. Okay, clicking on finish. Now this one is our project has been completed. Now the first thing is we need to create 3 pages here. I'm just creating 3 pages. The first one is JSP page, JSP, and we are taking the P1 page, clicking on finish, and taking page 2 here, going again here, and I'm just writing JSP, clicking on, and I'm just writing page 2 P2. Okay, and we are taking another page, that one is P3. Okay, page 3. Oh, sorry, that one is JSP. We need to first search. After that we are writing a P3. Okay, now first thing is we need to create a form, or we are taking a input from user. Okay, from form we are creating a form, and we are setting it method as a post. Okay, and after that we are setting action, and which page is sent to which response. Okay, so the action page is our p2.jsp. Okay, and here I'm just taking a variable. First I'm writing here p, and taking a username here, user name. Okay, after that we are taking a field input. Okay, the type we are taking is text. Okay, we are just getting the text from the user, and we are renaming this text field as a user name. Okay, user name. Okay, now our form has been created. Now we have to insert a button. Okay, so for that we are taking input, type we are taking submit. Okay, and the value we are setting here the next page. Okay, when we click on this it will move to the next page. Okay, this first page has been created. Now we have to write the code in page 2. Okay, and here we have to take that username, this detailed data in our page 2. So for that first we have to write the code here. Just take it, just write this tag, and here you just need to write string. We are taking a variable, and we are taking a variable as a username, string username, and request dot get parameter. Here we are taking, you can see that, and double quotes we have to write the name. Here we are taking username, so just I'm writing here username name. Okay, and you just want to display this data in this page out dot print ln. I'm just writing, and in this you're just writing user name. Okay, so that we can display the data, and after that we also need to set the value in the session. So for that we are writing session dot set attribute. Here I'm just writing, and here I'm just writing username value, the name of that, and here I'm just writing this name. Okay, this one. Okay, here I'm just writing and user name. Okay, now the value has been, okay, this is a comma where just forget. Okay, now our value has been set into the session here. Now we have to move to the next page, in the P3 page. So for that we are just taking a ahref link we are providing for that, so that I can display the value in P3 page dot JSP. Okay, and the page name we are taking well, just rename is as the last page we are moving here. Okay, last page link, this one is. Okay, and after when we click on this link it will move to the page 3, and here we are not using anything to get the data from form, so we have to take the value from the session. So for that we are going to take here, first we are writing the tag here. Okay, after that we are taking another variable. That one is we are taking username again. Okay, after that we are setting session dot get attribute. Here I'm taking, okay, to retrieve the data we are writing this. Okay, and here I'm just writing the name of that, this one name we are writing here, this one. Okay, username here. Okay, and here just writing. After that we are writing it, we take that value in string format. Okay, just click on this, completed. And we also need to display that value. So for that I'm just writing out dot print ln. Here I'm just taking, and there's also we are writing a logout button in it. So for that we are writing, okay, and this, and I'm just writing log out. Okay, I'm just writing here p1.jsp. After you can see this here, I just set the session. Here in this page, I retrieve the data that are coming from our HTML form page, and here I'm just setting the value to the session. And from here you can see I'm retrieving the value from the session. Okay, and I will explain you how to destroy the value from the session. So before explaining the destroy part, I will first explain you why we need to destroy the value. Okay, so let me run this file. Okay, run on the server. Clicking on finish. It will take few seconds to run. Okay, it's opening. Okay, something went wrong. Let me check it. No, it's open. Okay, now here I'm just writing the name, just writing Gaurav. Okay, clicking on next page. You can see we move to the next page, and here you can see the page P2 page. Okay, and there's a name you can see display here. We are getting it from our first page. Okay, now when we click on last page, it will move to the page number 3. Okay, it is not having displaying the value of that. So let me go move to the again this page. And what's wrong with it? I just did not write the name. Okay, so sorry, username. Okay, so let me run this again. Run on the server, clicking on finish. Okay, now let me run it again. Gaurav, clicking on next page and moving to last page. Here you can see the name. In the P3 page we also see the details. That one is Gaurav Kumar, and there is a button that one is logout. When we click on logout, it will move to the page 1, but when we click on the back arrow, it will again move to that page. It means that the session is our not destroyed. So for the destroy, we need to here just need to write in the page 3, just here we have to write the simple, here just write this tag put first, and here just write session dot invalidate. Here function, just use this, and let me run this page again so that you can see. Run the server, click on finish. Okay, now here I'm just writing Gaurav again and clicking on just take it as Gaurav 1. Clicking on next, you can see Gaurav 1, and when we click on last page, it moves to the page number 3. Here you can see that. And when we click on logout, it means that our session value has been destroyed. So when we click on this button, it means that it should be display error page. Okay, so let me click on this. Here you can see that an unexpected process has been happened. You can see that unexpected error you can see. So there is an error generated because the session value has been destroyed. Okay, so I also created a video to how to handle session how to handle exception. So you can go through that and handle these exceptions. So this is all about how to set any value in the session, how to retrieve value from the session, and how to destroy the value from the session. I hope you guys like this video, so please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.